Welcome to Wright State Campus Recreation's reservation video. Coming back from our closure due to COVID, we are taking extra precautions to ensure the health and safety of our community. To begin the registration process, please visit imleagues.com. Once you are on the page, you will click either Login or the Sign Up button. On the Sign Up page, simply choose Wright State University as the school. From here, it will take you to our Wings page where you will use your WID and password as a single sign-on page. Now that you are logged in to imleagues.com, this page will take you to your home page. You will also see intramural sports and fitness and wellness. By clicking the Fitness and Wellness page, it will default to the calendar view. You can sign up from this page, or you can view by specific program or class. On the class page, you'll find the Fitness Center workout reservations, the at-risk reservations, and also our group exercise classes that will begin this fall. To sign up this way, click on the class that you would like to join. Once you pick the class you would like to join, you'll be able to choose from a selection of day and times. At this time, you are limited to one fitness center workout a day to allow for availability for all of our patrons. However, when you arrive to check in, you can ask the student workers if extra time is available if you would like more than 1 hour. Once you decided on a day and time, you can click the available time that works for you. You will then be prompted to enter your UID number, and your reservation for the workout will be completed. On the top right corner, you will see a green bubble saying Success. On this page, you will see the reservation details as well as some reminders of our policies and procedures. If you can no longer make a workout, we ask that you unregister. To do that, you can click this red button. On the home page, you can view all of your upcoming reservations or go directly to the intramural and fitness and wellness pages to sign up for more classes or intramural events. To stay up to date with campus recreation, please also visit our social media pages at Wright State Rec. That's Wright ST Rec. When sharing a post, be sure to use our hashtags.